I wish I could afford more patience, walk in love and walk in favor, but my soul depending on him. Turn up the volume for me, cause I can't shout. If he said he'll do it, then I won't doubt. Yeah, I think I'ma know when his light shines. Yeah, I'm ready, I'm ready. Hold up, I'm not ready to be living unholy. Holy Spirit, I'm about it. Lay it on the altar, all my intentions. I wasn't alone when I was falling, back when I was weak and still crawling, back when all my father used to tell me, was a child, don't forget from where you coming. I cannot forget, I cross my heart and pray to God. I cannot forget, I wrote his promise on my body. Wrote it loud and clear, I want his love more than everybody. But I can't stop praying, all I need is mercy. I wish I could afford more patience, walk in love and walk in favor, but my soul depended.
Into enza sijabule iproblem amabhakaniya bahle bawine before igame iqale, before igame idlale bona vele already sebele score line ukuthi hayi sizowina ngo-2-0 or ngo-2-1. Vele nje sebekhawuntile lo ukuthi bale 3 point or bale cup, ngoba besitsho nje bethi i-net banking yabo kungakafikwa nje naku final, akukafika nje la ku final, but already cup sokungeyabo. Hayi amabhakaniya bezokwethusa, but anyway singamabhakaniya siyabonga into eyenziwe ngabafana. Bathuswe ikhithi mani leya, khithi kamkoko leyana vele iyethusa leya, iyethusa straight. Ngasemabhakaniyeni abayithemba, abasayithembi imkoko, hayi imkoko ayisathembakali, yinto ebayethusile nje. Hayi kodwa amabhakaniya niyakhuluma, yazi liyakhuluma amabhakaniya. Le game ingakaqali belijothi lizogudla amahlathi, ligudle amahlathi lize liyefika ku-final, lokhu ligudla ngamahlathi, ligudla. Sithi hayi ikhaphu ngeyethu. Bafana ubona umuntu esiba happy ekhuluphala but i-team yakhe ingadlalanga, kudliwa i-Pirates kuphela.